You like?
That's right.
What do we have here? This is not mine. Fortunately, this is not mine, definitely. But it's cool. This is mine. Gaines, bruh. So that's half of my order right there. I just ordered through Vitamin Shops, and whenever they have specials on sale, I really take advantage of it. I think I got 130 cans, so this is not maybe half of it, but you can't beat the deal. And Celsius Heat, I highly recommend it, guys. They're not paying me to say this. It's just awesome product, and it's very clean energy, so look into it. Really highly recommend this stuff. Listen to this. Damn. I suck.
Struggle life.
See? She drinking some goodness too. What are you drinking?
This knife does feel phenomenal. Remember you said that the other day?
You third? Kind of.
Don't judge me.
Just use your hands, huh? Lucky it's your food.
Want to buy a steak?
Nope. Waiting to go to the gym. Where's your veggies?
No veggies.
Alright, let's get real now. Cut this music off. I would like to know, Miss Felicia, how your prep is going.
Not bad. Besides my little slip up.
Okay, how many weeks are you out?
1.5.
Not 1 week out, okay. 1.5.
9 days. That's 1 week and 2 days.
Do you want to talk about your little slip up?
Yeah. So I went downstairs and I didn't tell you this, but I had already pre-planned like binging.
Great.
Not really like, I don't know. I just had a feeling that was going to happen. And I kind of just put it to the back of my head, and I went down there to cook those meals real quick, and I just ate probably like 7 granola bars, 7 Rice Krispie treats, and 7 Reese's cups.
And I'm surprised she didn't die, because all that sugar, when you haven't been eating sugar, is gonna attack you like no other. But she rebounded, and she's here now. This is my boys' tires. And they balled G, and they told me mine were low, but I think I got a little bit on you, a little bit more gains. Hey guys, this is Sean Test. I'm gonna take you through a ab workout, core workout, how we do it. It's gonna be his and hers. I'm gonna show you my first workout. You don't have to do weighted planks right away if you're just starting out. I like weighted planks. I can go up to 2 plates. You just throw this on your back, and we're gonna try about 30 to 45 seconds. I normally do 3 to 4 rounds of this, but just for this camera, I'm gonna do 1 round to show you guys what I'm doing today. And I just ate Chipotle, so don't get mad at me if my abs don't look good, okay? Thank you. Here we go. What I did here is I had this closed. You don't want to close it, okay? Because it's making it easier for yourself. Remember to keep them out. Alright, moving along. My second one, I like to do straight legs. On this, hanging straight legs. And I'm going to do it, I do about 10 to 15. And then I actually burn out with my knees. So I'll do 10 to 15 straight legs, and then I'll go straight to my knees. Try not to use momentum on this. and just stop completely. Legs straight. Go straight to my knees and burn out. Okay, it's already burning. This is number 3. You all know this one. Cable rope, hold downs. I put it by my ears, go straight down. Like to do 12 to 15 again. Then you squeeze your core. You shouldn't be talking right now. All right. As you can see, the circuit's not easy. My last one I'm gonna show you guys. This is a game changer right here. Get your decline bench, put some weight on it, and when you watch me, everything's weighted. Look at them burn. See how many you get. Straight up, above your head, down, up. As long as your shoulders hit the pad, you are good to go up. Keep your core tight. Three more. Taxed. Whoa. Woo. Give yourself a 2-minute break, 2.5 minute break. Go at it again. 3 to 4 rounds. You'll feel good.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky.